Hello everyone. So this is an example of my Excel file, and we will be looking into the file itself, which is saved on my computer. It's actually a file I made for our shop, the Sakuragi Glass and Supply, wherein I pretty much created a tracker. This is actually for sales. And what it does, it actually tracks our sales if we have payables or if we have receivables. It will track all of them. It will also generate a report if we wish to. It will generate a report um, regarding how much we have received or how much we've earned. So this is actually what we have here. We will be choosing, let's reset everything. So we will be choosing the transaction type first. So let's see. We have the expenses, taxes, transportation allowance, all of those accounting terms. Let's see. Let's take this for example, accounts payable. Declare, well, it's BAR stuff, if we decide to declare it or not. And for example, that's an official receipt number. Normally, we declare all our BIR payables. So let's say Francine. And Francine is from Carmen. The amount that we owe Francine is 56,000, for example. And then the amount that we've already paid her is 6,000. So we have a payable of 50,000. We save it. It will ask if we want to save it now. Just say yes. And then here it is. On our database, the date today, which is February 8th, 2021, accounts payable. And then the OR number, Francine, was from Carmen. The amount that we owe, 56,000, and the amount that we have paid, 6,000. 50,000 is the total balance. And this is for the month of February. So there it is.